Students, continuation of Unit 4 Accountancy, methods of valuation of goodwill. Now, in the previous classes, we saw the calculation of goodwill under the average profit method. In that, you had two types, simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Okay, so we worked out problems under these two methods. Now, in today's class, we'll see the super profit method. Now, in this super profit method, there are three classifications. One is purchase of super profit method. The second one is annuity method. Okay, and the third one is capitalization method or capitalization of super profit method. Okay. Now, the first one, purchase of super profit method. Now, in this method, purchase of super profit method, the formula for calculating goodwill is super profit into number of years of purchase. It's very simple to remember the formula. Goodwill under average profit is average profit into number of years of purchase. Okay. Under the weighted average profit method, the goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. Under the super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. That's all. Now, super profits will not be given in the problem. We have to calculate it. The formula for calculating the super profits is average profits minus normal profit. Okay. So, super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Sometimes this normal profit and average profits will be given in the problem. But if it is not given, you should find out the average profit. What is the formula for average profits? Total profits divided by number of years. Okay. Now sometimes the normal profits will not be given in the problem. So you have to apply the formula. Normal profits will be capital employed into normal rate of return. Okay. Now this normal rate of return is the rate, percentage. Okay. It is a rate at which the other similar companies doing the similar business, at what rate they earn the profit. That rate only we call it as normal rate of return. Okay. So normal rate of return is a rate at which the profit is earned by a similar business entities in the industry under normal circumstance. Now, you know what is the formula for normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return, and normal rate of return sometimes it will be given in the problem itself, the percentage. Okay. Now, capital employed. Capital, what is the formula for capital? Assets minus liability. Okay. So, same thing only, you remember this. Capital employed is equal to asset. Asset is what? Fixed asset plus current asset minus the current liability. Okay. Total asset. Fixed asset plus current asset minus the current liability. Illustration 7. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill based on 3 years purchase of super profits. Okay. Now capital employed is given, normal rate is given, average profit is given. Now what is the formula for goodwill under super profit? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Now super profits, what is the formula? Super profit is equal to average profits minus normal profits. Okay. Normal profit you don't know, and average profit is given in the problem as 42,000. Okay. Now you should calculate the normal profits. Normal profits, what is the formula? Capital employed into normal rate of return, that is 2 lakh into 15 by 100. So 30,000. So you got the normal profit. Okay. Now super profit will be average profit minus normal profit, that is 42,000 minus 30,000. You get super profit as 12,000. Now find out goodwill, super profit into number of years of purchase. That is 12,000 into 3, 36,000. Exercise 7. From the following details, calculate the value of goodwill at 2 years purchase of super profit. Total asset is given, total liability is given, normal rate of return is 12.5% and average profit is given as 60,000. Now, goodwill, what is the formula under the super profit method? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Okay, number of years of purchase is given in the problem. Super profit you should find out. What is the formula for super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Now average profit is given in the problem as 60,000. You don't know what is normal profit. Now apply the formula for normal profit. Normal profit is equal to what is capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is 12.5%, you know, but you don't know what is capital employed. So you should find out capital employed. What is the formula? Assets minus liability. That is fixed asset plus current asset minus current liability. But in this problem, they have given total assets and total liability. So 5 lakh minus 2 lakh, you get 3 lakh as capital employed. Okay. Now look at the solution. Capital employed is equal to fixed asset plus current asset, that is total asset, okay, minus current liability, which is given in the problem. You find out the capital employed. Now super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is given in the problem as 60,000. Normal profit you have already calculated, okay, 37,500. How you got this? Normal profit is equal to capital employed 3 lakh into 12.5 by 100. Okay, so you get 37,500. You put a dot here because this is 0.5, so you get 37,500. Okay, now super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. You get 22,500. Now goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. You get 22,500 into number of years to goodwill is equal to 45,000. I repeat it once again. First, in this problem, you are asked to calculate the goodwill. So goodwill under the super profit method, what is the formula? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase is given in the problem, but super profit is not given. So super profit formula, what is it? Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is given in the problem as 60,000, but normal profit you don't know. So you have to find out the normal profit. What is normal profit? Capital employed into number of normal rate of return. Okay, so normal rate of return is given in the problem, but you don't know what is capital employed. So capital employed, what is the formula? Total of asset, that is current asset plus fixed asset minus total liability, current liability, not total liability, current liability. But here they have given total asset and total liability. So up to this, hope it is clear. Now reverse, you have to work out the calculation. This you have to do roughly. Okay, next when you work out the problem, first you will calculate the capital employed, then From that you will calculate the normal profit. From that you will calculate the super profit. From that you will calculate the goodwill. Okay. First you are calculating the capital employed. You get 3 lakhs. Okay. And then after that you have to calculate the normal profit. Normal profits is equal to 3 lakh into 12.5 by 100. You get 37,500. Okay. Then super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is given in the problem and normal profit you have already calculated. You get the super profit. Now goodwill will be super profit into number of years of purchase. So 22,500 into 2 you get 45,000. Question 8. Calculate the value of goodwill at 5 years purchase of super profit from the following information. Capital employed is 1,20,000. Normal rate is 20%. Net profits for the previous years is given. Fair remuneration to partner is 2,800 per annum. Now, under the super profit method, what is the formula for goodwill? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Okay. Now you should know what is super profit. What is the formula for super profit? Average profit minus normal profits. Okay. Now you should calculate what is average profit and you should also calculate what is the normal profit. Average profit is 30,000 plus 32,000 plus 35,000 plus 37,000 plus 40,000 divided by the number of years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, see here. Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. You get 34,800. Now, all the adjustments should be made from this average profit. So, fair remuneration to partners, you have to minus that amount from the average profit. So, you get adjusted average profit as 32,000. Now, you know what is the average profit. Next, super profit, what was the formula I told you? Average profits minus normal profit. Now, average profit you have calculated. Now, you should calculate what is the normal profit. The formula for normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate. Normal rate of return. That is 1,20,000 into 20 by 100. Okay. So, 1,20,000 into 20 by 100. $24,000. So, normal profit you get 24,000. So, super profit is equal to 32,000 average profit minus 24,000 normal profit, you get 8,000. Now, find out the goodwill. Super profit into number of years of purchase. That is 8,000 into 5 years purchase, you get 40,000. Now, this 5 years is given in the problem. Here 5 years purchase. Okay. Hope it is clear. Exercise 8. A partnership firm earned net profits during the last 3 years as follows. Net profits of 3 years is given. So from this details you can find out the average profit. So average profit is 20,000 plus 17,000 plus 23,000 divided by 3. The capital investments of the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 80,000. This is what? Capital employed. Having regards to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be the fair return. So this 15% is what? The normal rate of return. So capital employed is given, normal rate of return is given. So you can apply the formula and find out the normal profit. Capital employed into normal rate of return, normal profit. So you have found out the average profit, you have found out the normal profit. Okay, so super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. You get the super profit. Then it is very easy to find out the goodwill. Super profit into number of years of purchase. Okay. Now, exercise 8, the solution. Find out the average profit. 20,000 plus 17,000 plus 23,000 divided by 3, you get the average profit as 20,000. Now normal profit is capital employed into normal rate. You get the normal profit as 12,000. Okay. Then average profit you know, normal profit you know. With that information you can find out the super profit. So average profit minus normal profit, you get super profit as 8,000. Now find out the goodwill. Super profit into number of years of purchase. 8,000 into 2, 16,000 rupees is the value of goodwill.